Hi everybody, today I have a challenge lock pinned up by tipene 6-2-17 Cradle of Mind. There's the bitting on the key, and the lock does stick a little bit, but it does work in both directions. Hopefully we can get this picked and good today. I'll be using pin side tension and a homemade short hook. Straight and looking for a binder. That was pin 1. Pin 6. Pin 3. Pin 6 again, but I think that dropped. That was pin 3. 3 clicks out of pin 2. That was pin 3. Pin 4, we've gone into a bit of a false set there. Pin 5, got a deeper false set. Getting counter rotation on 1, but I don't think that pick is deep enough to get it. I think I got that, but we dropped some other things. Pin 2. That was pin 3 again. All the way to the back. And pin 6. We do have an open. Absolutely lovely little lock to pick. So we'll take a little look inside. I know I haven't really been about for a bit, but I've been really busy with work and I've been having car trouble, so it's just been one of them times for me. We'll use a shim as it is a challenge lock. Straight through. I can see some threads in chamber 2, 4, 5 and 6. Yep, definite threads. So we'll dump them out and then take a look. Some very nice pins coming out here. I'm seeing some lovely looking pins here. A lot of serrations in this lock. I don't think there's anything done to the Bible. I can't see anything. And there we have it. Got some really nice pins here. Got a standard keeping in one with a sort of serration up the top spool. Wide serrations on the keeping. Very deep serrations on that one. Standard. Looks like a commercial serrated. Really wide serrations on that. Nice deep serrations there. Serrated again. That's absolutely beautiful. Reduced diameter serrated pin with a spool element at the end. Standard. And looks like another serrated commercial. Absolutely brilliant lock. All the springs do look the same apart from spring one. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye for now.